Welcome to the Airplane Museum. GB, USA. Engine, Pratt & Whitney Wasp, Senior R1344. 800 horsepower. Maximum speed, 494 kilometers per hour. Length, 5.45 meters. Width, 7.70 meters. Weight, 990 kilograms. The GB Sportstar was shaped peculiarly and had two models, the R1 for closed pylon air racing and R2 for long track racing. The R1, piloted by Jimmy Doolittle, won the championship at the Thompson Trophy race in 1932. Unfortunately, all the planes were destroyed in a tragic accident. Pitts, USA. Engine, Lycoming, 260 horsepower. Maximum speed, 338 kilometers per hour. Length, 5.71 meters. Width, 6.10 meters. Weight, 521 kilograms. A small-scale biplane developed as a recreational and sport craft. The original model S1 was developed in 1945, but has been remodeled repeatedly. The strongest model in the series, the S2B, was finished in 1982 and participates in air shows and acrobatic tournaments. At present, quite a number of S1s participate in the Reno Air Race in the biplane class. Polikarpov, Soviet Union. Engine, Shvetsov, 1,000 horsepower. Maximum speed, 525 kilometers per hour. Length, 6.20 meters. Width, 9 meters. Weight, 1,980 kilograms. The first heavyweight fighter of the Soviet Union. Developed for high speed and climbing power, it adopted a novel design, such as low wings made of all metal, monoplane and retractable landing gear, in a period when biplanes were mainly produced. It played an active part on the Spanish front and was adopted in the Chinese Air Force. More than 20,000 planes were produced in total. Supermarine Spitfire 4, England. Engine, Rolls-Royce Marine 61. 1,650 horsepower. Maximum speed, 669 kilometers per hour. Length, 9.54 meters. Width, 11.23 meters. Weight, 3,525 kilograms. The pride of Great Britain. Spitfire was called the plane which saved Great Britain. It was a high-speed plane derived from the series S4 to S6B, which brought the Schneider Trophy race to Great Britain in the latter half of the 1920s. It played an active part in the front during all of World War II, and 24 models were derived from it. Mitsubishi A6M Zero Fighter 52, Japan. Engine, Sakai 21, 1,130 horsepower. Maximum speed, 565 kilometers per hour. Length, 9.08 meters. Width, 11 meters. Weight, 2,733 kilograms. The Zero Fighter was called the greatest Japanese fighter in World War II, but was used only for the beginning and the middle of the war. In the last stage of the war, it suffered from attacks by the American Air Force, which was superior to the Japanese in all ways: armament, defense, and power. As a successor was not developed, it served as the main Japanese plane through World War II, with over 10,000 planes manufactured. Kurtis P-40 Warhawk, USA. Engine, Allison V1710, 1,150 horsepower. Maximum speed, 530 kilometers per hour. Length, 9.60 meters. Width, 11.30 meters. Weight, 4,160 kilograms. The Kurtis P-40P is recognized by the shark's tooth insignia on the engine cowling. It was called Kitty Hawk in the service of Great Britain and Warhawk in the US. It's not very fast, but it takes part in the Reno Air Race every year. Rokkit P-38L Lightning, USA. Engine, Allison V1710 111, 1,400 horsepower times 2. Maximum speed, 666 kilometers per hour. Length, 11.53 meters. Width, 15.85 meters. Weight, 5,806 kilograms. A heavyweight fighter with twin engine and twin boom. Mainly, it was sent to Europe and called the Fork-tailed Devil, and people were scared of it. Due to its high speed, it became known for its single-shot and strike and retreat capability. It took part in the Reno Air Race, the first air race held after World War II, and has taken part ever since. North American P-51 Mustang, USA. Engine, Rolls-Royce Marine, 1,450 horsepower. Maximum speed, 703 kilometers per hour. Length, 9.83 meters. Width, 11.28 meters. Weight, 4,580 kilograms. The Mustang is still believed to be the best fighter plane from World War II, and there are a lot of planes that still fly after more than 50 years. Some of the planes which are remodeled for the air races fly at the speed of almost 800 kilometers per hour and are much faster now than when they were active during World War II. It proves how the basic plan was well designed. Messerschmitt Bf-109F, Germany. Engine, Daimler-Benz DB601E, 1,350 horsepower. Maximum speed, 606 kilometers per hour. Length, 9.02 meters. Width, 9.92 meters. Weight, 2,890 kilograms. Perfected the single shot and strike and retreat strategy. From the beginning to the end of the war, it was improved repeatedly, including changes to the engine. Due to its high mobility, it played a very active role in the First Front, and over 30,000 planes were mass-produced. Me-109R established a new world speed record for single-propeller aircraft in 1939, and it has never been broken in 30 years. Kyushyu J7W8 Sinden, Japan. Engine HA4341, 2,130 horsepower. Maximum speed 750 kilometers per hour. Length 9.26 meters. Width 11.11 meters. Weight 4,950 kilograms. The first Japanese Canard-type fighter. Produced for trial as the Pinpoint Fighter, it was armed powerfully for the decisive battle on the Japanese mainland at the end of World War II. Sinden was planned to be mass-produced. However, only the first plane for trial flew 3 times for just 45 minutes each as the war came to an end before it could be used. Guraman F8F Bearcat, USA. Engine, Pratt & Whitney R2800, 2,100 horsepower. Maximum speed, 678 kilometers per hour. Length, 8.43 meters. Width, 10.82 meters. Weight, 4,250 kilograms. Grumman developed the high-tech Bearcat as the plane to succeed the F-6F Hellcat, which fought desperately with the Zero Fighters, but was not finished in time to send to the Pacific War. Conquest I, piloted by Darrell Greenmeyer, a legendary pilot, and Rare Bear, piloted by current champion Lyle Shelton, are well known in the air race.